A lot of people tend to just bully themselves up and then go down again. Corpsey. Like Count Dracula in a coffin. Come up again, Count. Hey guys, today we're going to go over the roll-up. And we find that in a class setting, the roll-up is often a stumbling block for clients. Some find it really easy to articulate and sit up using their lower abdominals, and other people struggle and need to grab onto their legs or hoist themselves up and use momentum. So let's go over what the perfect roll-up looks like, and then ways in which we can make yours a little bit better and easier to accomplish in a group setting. So inhale, taking your arms overhead. Here, you want to try and draw in your lower abdominals, squashing your back into the floor. That's going to make sure that you're using the right tummy muscles as opposed to hinging off your hip flexors. Then on an inhale, you lift your arms up towards the ceiling. Your head lifts up, your chest depresses, your arms reach long, aiming for your feet. You want to try and squeeze your ankles together, creating energy out your toes, but then you're scooping that tummy up. On an exhale, you'll continue the movement, rolling up into a high C curve. Strong in the arms, still strong in the legs. Breathe in. Notice how the neck is part of a long C curve. Exhale, you now scoop your tummy muscles and roll down onto the back of your bum bones and the lower back on your sacrum. And then you'll take your arms up and over your head, lying down. Not possible for everyone. So let's look at ways in which we can make it a little more doable. You can start by bending your knees. On an inhale, lift your arms up, so the same principles apply. Exhale, grab the back of your legs and help yourself up a tad. Then extend your legs so you can join your friends, inhaling here. On an exhale, you'll tuck your tail and roll yourself back down. This is a good eccentric contraction, meaning it's a lengthening contraction. You're slowing yourself down and you will improve with the lift, the concentric version of the contraction. Lifting your hands up and grab hold of the back of the legs. Pull yourself up. Extending the legs, reach the arms forward. Good. Other ways to help improve are to lean back and go down slowly, adding the odd weight to your hands. Be careful if you've got any shoulder niggles, so we go light at first, but having something in your hands moves your center of gravity. In this position, you want to be careful of shoulder pain. On an inhale, lift your hands up towards the ceiling, and then exhale, you pull yourself up, and now you've moved your center of gravity closer to your long legs. It's helpful. And then roll yourself back down. Maybe if your shoulders niggle, then you don't want to take the dumbbells all the way overhead. You can leave them hovering just above your shoulders. Come up one more time, lifting head and chest. Come on up, squashing the legs together. Breathe in, and then lean back down. We're going to grab those dumbbells and show you a third way. You can use a towel underneath your low back. Positioning it just above your sacrum, it'll help you roll up. Arms above your head, lifting head and chest, and curl yourself up. It just adds a little ramp. You can decide to position your towel along the spine wherever feels easier, but try and keep it memorable so that you can then use this as a tool. You may lie down. Going forward, you grab yourself either a towel, hand towel from home, or one of the sticky mats in studio, and then inhale, lift up hands, head, chest, roll yourself up. Good. So you got a few tools in your box. I hope that helps.